Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson, now we have the opponent actually trying to strike the player. There's a few things we need to do. Obviously we need it to affect the health script, but we also need the player to react. Now luckily for this we can actually copy a lot of the code we used in the opponent AI. So because we've already done this, I'm going to run through it as quick as I can. And we'll come to the public enum. We're going to copy these four opponent hit by naming conventions. So let's copy those. And we'll paste them into the player state. So let's copy those in. We'll also obviously change opponent to player. So we've just got to keep going. And it's pretty much what this lesson's going to be, just a case of copying and changing naming conventions, but again, it's something that needs to be done, so we might as well do it now. I'm just going to copy the four states where we actually player tries to strike. So we'll copy those in. Just quickly tidy those up. And the last one. And now we can just copy and paste in the new naming conventions. So that's the first one, hit by low kick. Obviously we're still going to get the red error on these lines until we create the voids. And the last one, player hit by right punch. We'll paste that into the line below. Now let's come down to the animations. I can't remember if we created these. So it looks like we didn't, so let's come we'll come just before here. Where are we? Set player final hit animation. And you'll have to forgive my voice in this video. I didn't want to wait any longer for it to clear up completely, but yes, it's not good. So, but not to worry. So let's come to, we're in the opponent AI. And here we go, body hit animation and head hit animation. Let's just copy those. And let's have a look. We'll paste them in before this one. Obviously we need to make some changes, so that becomes player. We'll copy and paste this into the debug log. Same for the next function. We'll change it to player 1 anim. And player hit body. Obviously we created our animation clips in an earlier video, so that's not a problem. Right, with those in place, let's again come back to the opponent AI. And let's go through and have a look. So here's our hit by voids. So let's just copy and paste those in. So let's come and have a look where would be best to put it. I'll put them here actually, just before for animations, just like we did in the enum. So obviously we're going to get a lot of red errors to begin with. And we'll just go through and change player hit by for the naming convention. We'll change that in the debug log. So that's all our naming conventions. Debug logs change, so we'll start by changing to the new naming convention for the hit animations. So player hit, body animation, and we'll change it here as well because we reuse these lines. So let's change it again. So a player hit by left punch, so we'll just paste in the new head hit animation line. And we'll do the same here. So opponent AI audio source, let's have a look. Did we create this for the player already? So let's have a look for that line. We'll just copy that into the player. Let's have a look where's best place to put it? I'll put them here just below the animation, so let's paste that in. Again, we'll change it to player. Change it in the comments as well. We might as well copy in the head hit audio and the hit sparks lines. So let's paste those in. And again, we'll just change opponent to player. Okay, with those in place, let's come back down. So obviously we can just change this to player now. And here as well. For the next one, player hit by high kick. And we'll just copy and paste that in. Let's have a look. So with that in place, let's come back to the opponent AI. Let's get the audio source line from the void start, and we'll copy and paste that in. I'll put it here with character controller and animation. So we have all our get component lines together. Let's save that off there. So we have our wait for hit animations to do. Let's get that into place now. Again, I'll paste it here so we have our wait for animations in the same place. Let's come down to the switch block. Let's paste that in. We'll just tidy everything up, wait for hit animations. And let's come to the opponent AI. And we'll just find and copy that block across. So let's have a look. Wait for animations. I'll paste that new block in over it. So let's just go through and change the variables. So player 1 anim, that should now be. And might as well just copy and paste this one. Do nothing and return. So we've still got a little bit to do on this. I'm actually going to leave it here because I honestly don't think my voice is going to hold out much longer, but we'll pick this up in the very next lesson. Obviously you can just comment out any lines with red errors, and we'll pick this up in the very next video. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.